Is your Hisense portable air conditioner turning off unexpectedly? This is actually a common issue with several potential causes that we can troubleshoot systematically. The most frequent culprits are electrical overloads, timer malfunctions, and control setting errors. Let's start with the electrical system checks. First, ensure the unit is properly plugged into a functioning outlet and check the power cord for any damage. Look for fraying, burns, or other signs of wear that could cause electrical issues. If your unit has an LCDI plug with a reset button, press it. Also check your home's circuit breaker to make sure it hasn't tripped. This is a very common cause of AC shutdowns. Circuit overloading is a major issue. These units can draw 10 to 15 amps of power. Using a dedicated circuit can prevent overload shutdowns. Avoid plugging other high-power devices into the same circuit. Next, check if the timer function is accidentally activated. Many users don't realize their AC is set to turn off automatically. Also, confirm the unit is in cool mode and the set temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Finally, try resetting the unit. Power it off, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset can resolve many electronic glitches and restore normal operation.